In less than 2 minutes, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way of sharpening your hedge cutter blades from a Husqvarna, Stihl and a Milwaukee. So both the Husqvarna and the Milwaukee have a special type of blade. These are called anvil cutting blades, where you've got two cutting edges which go against an anvil, which is a flat edge. They're generally designed for more domestic applications. So the easiest way would be to use a file, and if you're a novice, just insert your battery or power up your machine until you get the blades to a point where they're clear of the anvil. Make sure you take your battery out and securely fix the blades into the vise. And all you need to do is run the file to the angle that the blade's currently at until you get a nice, clean, sharp edge. Now once you've done one side, you flip the blade over, do the other. You'll then need to run the blades up because the anvil will need to pass the other side of the cutting blade, then you can do the opposite sides. Now if the blades are quite fine or access is an issue, you could use something like a die grinder or a Dremel with a stone. And on this HLKM unit from Stihl, it's a double reciprocating and double-sided blade. It's got a little bit more of a gap, so you'll be able to access it with an angle grinder. Again, position your blades so that you've got a nice bit of access and you're not going to cut your grinder up against the rest of the blade. Now I use a flap disc because it's a little bit less aggressive than using a normal cutting disc. And again, just ground to that angle. Then grind all the edges back so they're nice, clean and sharp. So now your blades are nice and sharp and clean, all you want to do is lubricate it with something like this Stihl Super Clean.